Exploring AI can raise a lot of questions. For one financial firm, the first was simple. Will this actually work for us? They worked with AMC Technology to run a proof of technology, hands-on, consultative, and built around their real use cases. We didn't just simulate it. We installed a solution inside their actual environment, just like a production rollout. It was fully connected to their stack, including Salesforce Service Cloud Voice, and with their enterprise telephony system for secure, real-time integration. Then we gave them 30 days to explore, log dummy calls, test workflows, and see what worked best. The same use case can look completely different across organizations. That's why our proof of technology is flexible. Shape around your systems, your workflows, and how your teams actually work. This wasn't just a test. It was a turning point. They walked away with confidence, clarity, and a plan. If you're wondering if it could work for you, let's find out together.